Oh.
God, you see that fucker take him?
Yeah. Cuz, what is this? I get him on video. Yeah, boy.
God, it's fucking good size, Cody. Fucking good size. Thanks for no eel.
Try to get all kind of rocks over there on the inside. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. They're not deep enough here.
What's that? I'll try this way. Oh. Yeah, you fucked up. Hold on. Fucking hook just came out. Oh, shit. Oh. What the fuck, on? Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. That's the. Oh, boy. Got the fucking mooski.
On the fresh crab. Cuz, hey, look, the 30-pound just break right when I land them.